Well, not only are the TSA agents being affected by the shutdown, so are IRS workers.
Which means tax refunds could be delayed. That's money a lot of people depend on. Earlier today, First News reporter Nathan Lahota talked with a Boardman tax expert about the situation. Nathan's live in the studio with more details.
Stan and Manny, the problem tax preppers have is getting answers on tax questions from the IRS because they're not answering the calls right now. Considering this is the first full year of tax code changes from the 2017 tax cuts, you can imagine they have a lot of questions.
In the 10 years Tax 29 has been open in Boardman, they have seen 4 government shutdowns.
If it's still going on into the tax season, we will have to be explaining that, as we did last year to many of our customers, that you're going to have to wait on your refund until the government opens up.
The owner of Tax 29, Andrew Rigstad, says it's sometimes important for him to get a hold of the IRS.
If there's some sort of investigation going on, there's a dispute over claiming a dependent, if there's a dispute claiming some sort of deduction, and the IRS has been examining the return.
Which he can't do.
We can't reach the IRS. No one's there to answer the phone right now at the practitioner lines.
On top of that issue, there are also big changes to the tax code. Andrew says the standard deduction amount has more than doubled for some.
For single people, $12,000. For head of household taxpayers, $18,000. And for married joint filers, $24,000.
When trying to figure out if you should even bother adding up your itemized deductions, Andrew says you should ask yourself this.
Do you have enough mortgage interest, charitable contributions, state and local taxes, maybe medical expenses to get you over that threshold? And if you don't, go with the standard deduction.
The amount you're credited for having children is also up from last year, while what you can deduct as a business expense has been slashed.
Small business owners make sure they get that qualified business deduction that's available for the first time this year.
Shutdown or not, Andrew says you should still prepare to file your taxes on time.
We're charging right ahead as if we're going to be filing as normal.
For now, the deadline is still April 15th to file your taxes, and if you're worried you didn't follow the new rules or you just don't know how to do your deductions right, you have until April 15th of 2022 to file an amendment. Live in the studio, Nathan Lahota, WKBN 27 First News at 11.